Hey there architects and interior designers, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we unleash the power of Photoshop. Today, we have an essential tutorial that will kickstart your design process. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to set up a new document in Photoshop specifically tailored for architects and interior designers. From choosing the right dimension to selecting the perfect resolution, I have got you covered. Whether you are working on a stunning floor plan, an interior render, or a breathtaking portfolio, this tutorial is a game changer. Are you ready to dive into the world of pixel perfect precision? Let's get started. I'll walk you through the optimal document setting, the importance of color modes, and provide the valuable tips to enhance your workflow. So, if you are an architect or interior designer urged to unlock the full potential of Photoshop, hit that subscribe button and enable the notification so you wouldn't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Get ready to elevate your design to the next level. Let's jump right in. Here you can see this is the basic interface of Photoshop. Now I'm going to create a new document. For that, here you can see at the left hand side top, we have the menu bar, and in menu bar I'm going to go to the files option, then new, and the command for creating a new document is Ctrl N. You can simply just click here. And here you will find the interface for creating a new document, and at the right hand side you will find the preset details. So I'm going to rename it as Art.ikki. Then we have the width and the height and dimensions. So I'm going to keep the dimension in centimeters. You can just drop down and find out all the dimensions like pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, etc. So I'm going to keep it in centimeters. So for this document, I'm going to create a A4 sheet size. According to your preference, you can just simply Google the dimension of the sheet size, whichever you want to create, like A3, A4, A0 or whatever. So I'm going to create a A4 sheet size. So let's just keep it 29.7 and then height 21. So after this, we have the orientation if you want to keep it portrait or landscape. So if you just simply click here you can see the width is 21 now and the height is 29.7. Again, if I go for landscape, similarly, here you can see the width is 29.7. After this, we have the resolution. So I usually keep the resolution 300, but let me explain you the resolutions in detail. So for print or projection, the minimum resolution you should keep is 240. For large format prints, you should keep the resolution 300 and above. For internet and screen, you should keep the resolution 72. So after this, I'll keep the resolution pixel per centimeter as my drawing is in centimeters. And after that, we have the color modes. I'm going to explain you a little bit about these. So RGB is for screen display and CMYK is for printing. So you can go for RGB or you can go for CMYK if you are going for printing. Then we have color resolutions. So here we have 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit. 8-bit is for smaller file size and less color. 16-bit is for large file, more colors. So after this, we have the background content. You want it white in color or you want black in color, transparent or whatever. I'm going to keep it white in color. And after this, simply just hit on the create button and here you have your document created. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram for more design inspiration and updates. Until next time, happy designing.